single drop and give a fuck. Growing up, never felt good enough. It's okay to admit that you're in the mud, cause when you get down, shit is better than good. You may have taken L's, but so does everyone, like Mayweather in 96. Laborious with the raps that I spit. This industry ain't doing me favors. Off another bender, your God does me so much that he'll burn me forever. If I'm going to hell, it's whatever. I'll be on my jet ski in the lake of fire. For this life, I'm my own umpire. I got candor. Mental health will matter until they can't understand you. No matter what you say or do, there's always motherfuckers who won't like you. Who won't like you. Knock on wood, I live to see the rest of the day predicated upon the decisions that I make. Cause I know some people woke up today just to blow out their brains. I'm singing so like a gargoyle, feeling abandoned like Chernobyl, feeling like Dracula, sipping this liquor like it's vital. Have dealt with so much bullshit since a child. People are easily hoodwinked, beguiled, cause they lack the rationale. I've been so fatigued lately, watching people leave this world like a tumbleweed. Got a war going on inside of me, feeling like a picarist in the way that I think. Media's poisoning people's minds like ancient Greeks. Might as well feed them the hemlock, wanna rip out some tongues. All you do is just talk a lot. Please shut the fuck up. The barber says so fucking out with these dumb fucks going through these days. I usually need a pick me up, trying to reach my goals under ice, making moves like a hockey puck. If you could read my mind, you would feel so stuck. This mental illness is relentless. My brain is a self-destructive apparatus, dissecting my thought process, trying to alter this negative mindset. But it's difficult cause I got a skewed conscience, turning to substances.
Nice.